What if I told you that one ripe banana can turn into these soft, fluffy, golden pancakes? And the best part? You don't need any complicated ingredients. They're sweet, full of banana flavor, and incredibly easy to make. Stay with me, because I'll also show you how to get that beautiful golden color and perfectly fluffy texture every time. Let's make some delicious banana pancakes. First, take one ripe banana and peel it. For the best flavor, try to use a nice ripe banana. The riper your banana is, the sweeter and more flavorful your pancakes will be. Place the banana into a bowl and mash it really well with a fork. Keep mashing until it becomes soft and creamy. A few tiny banana pieces are completely fine. They'll give the pancakes even more banana flavor. Now, crack one egg into the mashed banana. Mix the egg and banana together really well until everything is nicely combined. Once it's ready, keep this mixture aside for a moment while we prepare our dry ingredients. In another mixing bowl, add 1 cup of all-purpose flour. Next, add 1/4 cup of sugar. Now, add 1 teaspoon of baking powder. This is going to help our pancakes rise and become nice and fluffy. Now pour our banana and egg mixture into the dry ingredients. Add 1 tablespoon of oil and begin mixing everything together. Next, we need 1/2 cup of milk, but don't pour it all in at once. Add the milk gradually while mixing. This makes it much easier to control the consistency of your pancake batter. Finally, add 1 teaspoon of vanilla for that beautiful aroma and extra flavor. Mix everything together until you have a smooth pancake batter. And remember, don't over-mix it. Once everything is nicely combined, stop mixing. This will help keep your pancakes soft and fluffy. Place a pan over medium heat and lightly grease it with a little oil. Now pour small portions of batter into the pan. I'm making 3 pancakes at a time. Try to leave a little space between each pancake so they're easy to flip. Let them cook over medium heat for approximately 2 minutes. Watch the surface closely. As the pancakes cook, you'll notice the edges becoming firmer and small bubbles may begin appearing on top. That's your sign that they're almost ready to flip. Gently slide your spatula underneath each pancake and flip. Look at that beautiful golden brown color. Now cook the other side for approximately 1 more minute. Once both sides are beautifully golden and the center is completely cooked, remove the pancakes from the pan. Repeat the same process with the remaining batter. And our soft, fluffy banana pancakes are ready. Serve them warm just as they are, or add your favorite toppings. You can enjoy them with sliced bananas, honey, maple syrup, fresh fruit, or even a little chocolate. They're simple, delicious, and perfect for breakfast or as a sweet snack. If you enjoyed this banana pancake recipe, give the video a like, share it with someone who loves pancakes, and subscribe for more easy and delicious recipes. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next recipe.